So thank you, Scott. And I think Scott summarized pretty much what we go through every day. But I think, you know, in Worcester, we have had the wonderful opportunity to be able to apply some of these concepts, hopefully for the better of the community. But what I'm here to talk about is the business model of school food as it's applied. School food, as Chef Ann and everyone has thus far mentioned, is that it's a business model that has academic and public health relevance. And I did. Oh, there we go. So what we're trying to do is we work to achieve both academic and public health relevance. Chef Ann had spoken about the public health relevance as taking priority. Totally agree with that, but as the director and you're out there and you're dealing with all these issues that Scott had spoken about, you need to sell the program to the organization that you're working within, and that organization is the school departments. So school meals can support the academic programming by providing healthful meals that ensure all students are well nourished and ready to learn regardless of their economic status. And preferably everything is served with a preference of minimally processed, locally grown and sourced ingredients, which is the ideal. Oops. And and I had more than 2 slides. We can talk about financial solvency.
Let's see what's up.
Could we do it manually, possibly? Oh, there we go.
I think it was upside down. So
Okay.
There you go.
There we go. Great. Thank you. So financial solvency, which ideally is defined as no cost to the municipality. Reimbursements equal revenue, state, federal, and household. And it's ideal if the financial solvency for any district covers both food, labor, and all the other benefits, so that you as a director or you as a community can say, we can do this and be at no cost. It gives you an incredible amount of independence. So, and often how that can be achieved is through the diversification of the different school meal programming. And it's with that intent that you can increase your revenues, you can absorb your existing labor and or your fixed costs. Many of those programs that you can achieve this through would be school breakfast, breakfast in the classroom, school lunch served without competitive foods, after school snacks converted into supper programs, and I think Chef Ann may actually have some of those programs in her district already, and that seems to be the trend across the country. I'm sorry, I did not see you there. And then summer meals, preferably with a low overhead model, and we've been able to achieve that with a mobilized model. But it takes a community to implement these programs. And that is why in different communities, the implementation rates may vary. There are environmental considerations, school buildings, where are the meals served? There are municipal issues, labor contracts that Scott had alluded to, and purchasing contracts. Different interpretations of the purchasing regulations, even here in the state of Massachusetts. And then there are geographic issues. Is the school district in a community that has access to fresh foods and vegetables? What are the distribution models? What are the barriers in accessibility of ingredients do they have to overcome? But one of the quickest ways to diversify and address all of your fixed cost issues, which may cause your department to be in revenue imbalance, would be to provide breakfast in the classroom in the elementary schools. And in elementary schools where 60% or greater of the students qualify for free or reduced eligibility, you are able to actually increase accessibility for the students at no cost to the district or student. So it is quite a win-win situation. And there'll be more conversation concerning breakfast in the classroom as the day goes on. So that's it. Scott, thank you.